Hi everybody, it's me again, and today I'm bringing to you, as you can see by the title and the fact of the products, but I am so excited that I managed to get my hands on it. I believe in the course of it. This is the 25L palette. For £20 it's a good palette. Now for me personally, I am not A makeup artist, B into just doing bright colours and doing things like the Pride look. I would never be able to pull that off. What I am going to say is I'm going to try and use some colour, but it's not a Pride look. And I also got the brush set, so I haven't actually opened any of these and looked at them, but I'm just going to read you what and why this is such a good cause and why people should support it. It's close to my heart, and something, even if it's the brush set, even if it's the eyeshadow palette, you know, giving that little bit back. And this is where giving back to the LGBT community is 100% needed. There is a lot of causes out there, I know, but I can't believe that Morphe are actually doing on both of these 100%. So they're making no money out of these palettes that are sold in June. And I did have to have a look it up, because I was like, in the UK we have Pride over different months. It's like, I know in Nuki it's like later in the year. There was one in another place that was earlier on in the year. I know where I live it's in the next month or so. So it's just like, I know I'm not 100% on it, but I know for a fact that we in the UK have Pride separated out all over the country. It's not just 1 month. If you do want to support Pride and the LGBT community and you like these products, but what I think is going to happen is they're still going to keep it out, this palette, they're still going to keep it afterwards. You've got, because the Americans is totally different, and it's in June, so if you get it in June then you're putting that 100%. If you get it after June then it's not. And I'm not pushing, guys, for people to buy anything. I'm just saying that if you want to give to the LGBT community, then you can. And I know it's not just the LGBT community. I know it's bigger than that. I know there's the pansexual. I know there's the asexual. There's a few others that I'm not 100% sure on, but I know it's a good cause. Now I've rambled for nearly 5 minutes. I'm going to put my glasses on and tell you what they've said. 100% of net proceeds from this collection will be made to the Trevor Project, a US-based non-profit corporation during our Pride celebration. And then there's a store to help fund 24/7 suicide prevention and crisis intervention services for the LGBTQ plus youth. The palette costs £20, which is this bad boy. Let's give it an open. Look, brand new, not touched it. That was really good actually. I thought that is such, it's bright, don't get me wrong, I know that, but it's got some lovely colours in it, and I'm like, I'm sorry if I don't come across as, well, I can do the Pride look, because I'm not that advanced. I'm really not. I've got an idea of what I want to do using some of the Pride colours. Just don't go around bashing me, because I believe in this course. Really, I 100% believe in the LGBT community plus everybody else. I'll insert swatches now so you can see this, and then I'm going to talk about the brush set. So guys, these are the colours. First of all, we've got Milk, Pride, Heart, 1978, Liberation, Stonewall, Culture, Hashtag Love Wins, SF, Rise Up, Sunlight, Life, Sexuality, Truth, Harmony, Healing. So that's the first lot. Activism, Make Magic, Peace, Gilbert, Thrive, Nature, Art, Pride, NYC. So guys, this is the Morphe brush set. It did come with a wrap around it. I just did take that off. I've not taken this off. I've not looked at it. It just says, make magic happen. Build it your way with these brushes and let your creativity fly high. So this is the brush set, guys. It really is. You know, it has got everything for your eyes that you're going to need. And that's how they come out, like that. And then you pull them out. And then obviously on that side, she says, that one comes out. I'm not using these today, guys. I want to keep these as a set because I've got a lot of brush sets open and I don't need to open another brush set. So I'm just going to go in with my normal brush sets. And they've actually put the names on, which is even better. So we can actually know. Bye-bye. And the mirror is ginormous. My face is in that. Literally, my entire face. Like I said, I'm not doing anything extremely fancy or anything like that. I'm going to do my eyes, but it's all about the palette. It's not about nothing else that I'm wearing. It's about the palette, the cores, and everything. Let me zoom you in and so you can see what I'm doing. So there you guys are. You can see what I've only got foundation on. I'm going to conceal. I'm not going to conceal or anything else until afterwards, just in case these fall out. So going in with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance first. I'm just going to take Milk, which is the white one, and just sort of set this stuff down. Set my eye base down basically. So in the crease, I think I'm going to run the yellow, which is that one just there, guys, above my crease. I'm just going to try and use the colours, but not as a Pride colours, if you get what I'm trying to say. I just haven't got the confidence to do it. I really haven't. And because it is so close to my heart, I just feel like I wouldn't be doing it justice. So from there, I think I'm going to go into orange one that's next to Milk, which is Pride. And I'm just going to run this in my crease as best as I can. It'll probably go all over my lid, but I want to keep that yellow there. So at the moment I'm just placing the colour where I want it and not really blending it up. I just want to pack on some colour here first, and then with the yellow brush I'm going to blend, so they blend nicely. Then I'm going to go in with the red, which is called Life, and I'm just going to sort of stamp it on and build it. And I'm going to take this practically all over my lid. And because I've slightly lost that orange look, I'm going to blend with the orange in the crease. I took the orange slightly higher, and then I'm going back in with this yellow. I'm just going higher. Just with a clean, fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend. So there is literally no harsh lines. So the red sort of blends away. So what I'm going to do is just put some more pack of the red on, basically, because I want the red. So I'm going to go in with this white shade here. It's a glitter, And I'm going to get, oh, it's gorgeous. Look at that. I'm going to use my finger and get in. It's like a light green. And try and blend them two together so they're not so harsh. So now that that's finished, I'm going to take this lime green and I'm going to run that a little bit on the bottom lash line. And then I'm going to go in with a blue underneath. And I'm taking it all the way across. I'm going to be taking Stonewall, this one, on my brow arch. That's nice. And on my inner corner, I'm going to take this gold that's down here, just in that inner part. This is the semi-finished eye look, which I think looks really nice. I'm going to clean up like the edges with like the concealer and everything and make sure it's gorgeous. I quite like it. I know I didn't put purple in, but it will be coming into play in a bit. I'm just gonna put concealer on and everything and contour. I'll talk to you afterwards. So guys, I am finishing this look off. I used the KIKO brow, the Gimme brow gel, the TARTEST mascara, and I'm going in with the MAC lip liner in Heroin. And this is where the purple is going to come into the video. And then I'm going to try this ILLUMINATOR purple. So guys, this is the finished results of it. I also used the Dewy Setting Mist from Elf. I know it's not Pride, the proper makeup, but I used every colour that's in the Pride flag, but just in a different way. If you didn't want to go with a bold purple lip, you could actually use a neutral, but I thought at least this way it incorporates the purple that I didn't put into my eyes. I can't say I'm in love with the look because it is really bright and vibrant. This palette is so wearable. I did this look because it's that palette. But then brights on it, they're going to be really good. I'm happy. I think I'm not used to it. So yeah guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget, hit the thumbs up, tap the bell. Double tap the bell and you will definitely get notifications, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye.